So AIT, Applied Industrial Technologies. Strong long-term trend, not at a discount. Industrial motor company, no long-term stock options, mainly shares buy and hold. So RSI 47, still okay to buy as it usually just rebound in this area. So the sweet spot is really around 40 to 70. Annual financials, growing for the last 2 years. Quarterly, it is flat for the last few quarters, has share buyback. And this is really the key driver for the trend. So even though the quarterly financials is not stellar, it has share buyback, so I think it's okay. So even though the financial performance has been flat in the last 4 to 5 quarters, it is forecasting to grow again, so that's good. So only invest if you believe in the company, like always, and the current price to entry is fine for long-term buy and hold, okay? So here you can see on the RSI chart on the right-hand side, 40 to 50 RSI is slightly negative, but it's not a big deal because you're actually really close to where the sweet spot is. And then it will be more obvious once we look at the chart. So here's the summary in case you want to pause the video. Okay, so you can see, first of all, AIT has a fairly strong long-term trend, and it usually bounces near the bottom parts of the Bollinger Band, or at least get to the lower parts of it. So here you look at this, and right now you're in the lower part of the Bollinger Band. So previously it did go down quite close to the lower BB, and then it bounced back up. So that's why I think the current price for entry is fine. Now, when you're looking at the RSI here, you can see there are some instances where it dips below the 50 mark into this 40-50 zone, and usually it bounces back up. So within the next couple of weeks, if you see the RSI in this area, and then it starts turning around, that's actually a very good signal because it's likely going to be going up. And if you're okay with the current price, 180H just for buy and hold, you can just buy and hold at this price.